Hello students, how are you? Sat Sri Akal. Let's now discuss the topic of mutual divorce in Hindus in India. As far as Hindus in India are concerned, if the Hindu husband and a Hindu wife wants to get divorced from each other without making any allegations of any sort on each other, they don't want to make any allegations on each other, they simply want to get apart from each other, they can simply do this by filing a petition of mutual divorce under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act. In the earlier video I told you about the fault grounds of divorce, in which the petitioner files a divorce petition against the respondent under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act on the basis of various fault grounds. For example, the respondent is being guilty of cruelty against the petitioner, he is guilty of adultery, he is guilty of desertion, and many more grounds. We have discussed all those grounds. But here in section 13B, in mutual divorce petition, there is no question of any allegation. Both of them, husband and wife, Hindu husband and Hindu wife, mutually agree to get apart from each other. They mutually agree to get separated from each other. And they want the assistance of the court. They want the divorce decree from the court, actually mutual divorce decree from the court. There is no question of any allegation. So what happens is that both husband and wife go to the court, and the court should be a district court, not lower than that. And one thing more, 1 year must have elapsed from the date of marriage. They cannot approach the court for divorce before 1 year has elapsed from the date of marriage. So from the date of marriage up till 1 year, they cannot go to the court. Yeah, in certain exceptional circumstances, the court may allow the petition of divorce before the completion of 1 year from the date of marriage. For example, if there is exceptional hardship to the petitioner, there is exceptional depravity on the part of the respondent, in that case the court may allow, but generally and usually 1 year must have elapsed from the date of marriage. So what they do, they go to the court, they approach the district court along with their advocates. A joint mutual petition is being filed, in which it is written that their affidavits are also there, that we are not able to live together as husband and wife, and we want a mutual divorce decree, and 1 year has elapsed, and their marriage certificate and all the date of birth and their address proof, that is also given to the court, and court will read that petition, and if the court is satisfied that there is no fraud, there is no undue influence, then the court may grant the couple at least 6 months. Court cannot easily or immediately pass the mutual divorce decree. No, court will not immediately pass the decree of divorce. Court will grant them 6 months. Why 6 months are given to them? After 6 months, they have to come again. But why 6 months are given? Because court wants to preserve the marriage. Main idea behind this is that law thinks that the institution of marriage should be preserved. So there is a chance for the couple, for the husband and wife, to unite again within those 6 months. But in case, unfortunately, they are not able to live together as husband and wife even within those 6 months which the court has granted them, then after completion of 6 months, they can again go to the court. They have to come to the court. Along with the same thing, they will repeat the same statement that yes, we want to take divorce. And if the court thinks that now also there is no undue influence, there is no fraud, nothing like that, court will grant them mutual divorce. That's it. So after 6 months are completed, they have to go to the court again. They have to again file their own affidavits, whatever. They have to again repeat the same thing, that yes, now also we want the same thing. We are still adamant on the same thing and we want divorce. The court will see that whether there is any fraud, there is undue influence. If there is no fraud or no undue influence, the court will grant them mutual divorce decree. So this is known as mutual divorce. I hope you like the lecture. Do comment on the video below so that I can learn from your comments. Thank you. Sat Sri Akal.